What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Williams family. And guys, we are back with another freaking video. Oh my gosh, y'all, I don't even want to finish the intro. Before we get this video started, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications because we're on the road to success. But guys, y'all see this beautiful freaking, oh my gosh. Y'all, it's snowing. It's snowing. Oh my goodness, y'all. First of all, just a few days ago, we got some real petty snow. Like that little like, oh, we just caused accidents type of snow. Like, you know, freezing. Yeah, all of that. But now, guys, we're really snowing. It looks like it's sticking. Oh yeah. If I can like, oh yeah. Come on now. Come on. If I can do that, if I can make a snowball, watch this, y'all. I'm gonna throw a snowball at Cyrus.
Oh, you threw a snowball? Yo, Key just threw a snowball at me, Dad. That's cute.
Guys, so this is what the snow has done. Not too much, just a little. I mean, it's not as petty as it was a few days ago, but it's all good. I'm ready for Skylar to at least see the snow, so yeah, I need baby girl to wake up because I don't want the snow to melt away before she can even see it, which, I mean, it shouldn't melt that daggone fast, but I just want my baby to experience the snow. My baby knocked out. She is not, y'all. I'm gonna leave her and let her be. Bentley, you survived the snow. I'm so glad, Bentley, that we took you out before it started snowing, Bobs. You gotta go out in the snow today to use the body. Oh, my baby gonna be freezing. You gonna be freezing, yes you are, big boy, but it's okay. I mean, he has like a little sweater. That's his scarf right there. But he likes to take it off, so we'll see. I mean, you gotta use the potty, right? Yeah, you gotta go, you gotta go. You feel me, Ben? This is the snow from the other angle.
Y'all, we should have got way more snow.
Y'all, look, my house need to be power washed. Like, that is nasty.
We should have got way more snow.
We definitely should have got way more
They
snow.
cheated us.
We definitely should have got more snow. And I mean, it should have started on like Sunday.
Yeah.
So we would be out of school on Monday, but it started on a Friday. Sorry, Summer, so this is bootleg snow. Y'all, your girl is tired. So tired. Finally got some snow though. Look at her, y'all. I'm trying to get my food. You just ate, Skylar. You just ate.
It's cool.
They made me a fried egg, corned beef hash sandwich. Y'all, it's so delicious. Look, Bentley was just over there staring at me. Now he's staring at my mama. Bentley.
There's potatoes in it. It's little potatoes.
Look, now she's staring at my mama because she knows she ain't getting out of mine. Girl. Okay, guys, so I didn't just tease her with my food. She now has some oatmeal, prune, and applesauce. Girl, you ready for mama to feed you? She's like, girl, what you playing with that? Bring that on over here. They call me Big Mama. Bring it over here. They call me Big Mama. Oh, shoot. Oh, hold on, wait. Let me stop playing with her. What in the world?
That's a cut that I had when I was little. I aggravated it.
Yeah, you must have
Let me sit down
reopened
real
it.
quick.
Oh my God. Okay, guys, so most of the decorations are down We are thinking about leaving the lights around the tree, but we're not 100% sure.
We can leave though.
You think so?
Yeah.
The pink tree is down. The green tree is down. I think, yeah, Cyrus has the attic open. Right now, guys, it's so creepy up there. Y'all give us 1,000 likes and I'll go into the attic at 3 a.m.
Say bye to Christmas.
Bye bye Christmas. See you never. Say no. See you in December. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I'm celebrating.
You for a while.
Yeah. See you next year. I mean, end of the year. Dang, it's also next year. Alright guys, so now I am sorry about the towel on the floor, guys. We had like a little leak in our dishwasher. But now I am preparing to make chili. So I chopped up my bell peppers, chopped up my onions. I have some minced garlic because I'm too lazy to peel and cook garlic cloves, okay? So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get this chili popping, guys. Like I'm telling y'all, y'all gonna want it. Like I'm telling y'all gonna want a piece of this chili. Y'all look at the snow just clearing up. It's just gone. Like what? What?
Oh, what's up, man? Please say.
Alright guys, so about to go ahead and season my turkey. I hate the way I have to defrost it, guys. Like, I don't know about y'all, but I really hate defrosting in the microwave, but your girl had to do what your girl had to do. Okay?
I could have cleared that out.
I had to do what I had to do. Because I really was going to defrost in the sink, but I waited too late. I should have started defrosting when Cyrus was cooking breakfast. That's when I should have started. But it's all good. It's all good because your girl just gonna make it work, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and add in all my seasonings, which is chili mix, and then a separate type of chili mix, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, oregano, Creole, and I think that's it. No, tomato paste and crushed tomatoes. Alright, let me see.
You giving them your ingredients?
So I'm using this type of chili mix. And then like I said, I'm also using like regular like chili powder. So
My DP. Bad.
huh? Oh my gosh!
I didn't know till Mom said something.
You didn't know?
No. Y'all, I had this injury when I was little. I fell off a bike with my homeboy.
You fell off a lot of things. You bumped your head too, right?
I was dropped on my head.
Oh, my bad.
Damn. Y'all, it's me. Look, it's me.
Boy,
I'm cooking.
You
Chef's
always like to do that. He like
cooking
to pretend
with
like
Cyrus.
cooking with Cyrus, cooking with Cyrus, cooking with Cyrus, cooking with Cyrus. You're sassy.
Y'all, this what happen when you cooking with me. Cause I does this. You saw I put my meat in.
What you put in first?
I put my peppers in my peppers in my
Raw,
onions
stop
in-
lying.
Yes,
All right, guys, so we have the rest of our ingredients that's going in our pot right now. So far, we have the onions, the bell peppers, the turkey, the ground turkey, and chicken broth in here. So now we're going to go ahead and add our, we're going to start with our crushed tomatoes. We're going to stir that in. Then we're going to go in with our rotel, our tomato paste, and then we're going to...
extra hot.
Extra hot, yes. And then we're going to top it off with our black beans and our kidney
No
beans.
beans. No beans.
What's chili without beans? Are you crazy?
No beans.
Cyrus said no beans in the chili.
Am I tripping, y'all? No beans.
Yes, you are. That's the point of chili. All right, guys, so I made my bowl of chili. Guess who's here? Olivia is here. Guys, yes, my niecey poo is here. Did you eat all your pizza rolls? Okay, and you had applesauce? Who gave you that, Uncle Cyrus? Yup, guys, we went to Norfolk to pick up my niece. She's only here for a day. I'm so excited. Are you excited to be here with Auntie? Huh? Use your words.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, and I need to get you some socks too. But yeah, guys, made it chilly. We survived the snow day. The snow is actually off the ground. Let me show y'all. Hold on. It was petty again. It was real petty. Like, that's it. Roads are clear. Drove all the way to a whole nother city today. Yeah, it's straight. But anyways, guys, we'll see y'all in the next freaking video. Say bye-bye, Skylar.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Turn on your post notifications because we're on the road to success.
Say bye.